Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can put a link in your TikTok bio. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead and open up your TikTok app. Tap on a profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then you're going to go ahead tap on this edit option. And you can see that I already have a link right over there. If I tap on it, it will direct me to my Instagram account. Right, so how you can do it is you can go to the edit option. And when you go to this edit option, you will find this section of links. And from this links, you can see I already have my Instagram added. So what you need to do is you need to go to the link section, and then when you go to this link section, you need to simply go ahead paste the link that you want. Once you have pasted the link, go ahead tap on the save button on top, and then once you do that, your link will appear on top. Other thing is you can also go ahead and go to the bio section, and you can also paste a link right over here, and you can tap save on top, and you're good to go as well. Now those are the option for you to simply go ahead and add the link on your TikTok bio like that, and that's how it works. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.